Alright, hello. This video is to help with Chapter 5, Program Number 1. I do have the starter code loaded in here. Remember, you can get that on our class page. There's just one for each program, and it's kind of nice because it builds little test cases for you, and so you just have to write the method and then hit go on main to see that it works. Okay, so I'm going to start with the method heading because that's what we got to add here. And basically, if you look at the way it's called, it's finding the max of 3 ints. So it's taking in 3 ints and returning which is the highest, so it returns an int. So my heading is going to go public static because that's how all the methods will go for now. And then I want to return an int, so I'm going to do return type of int. And then the name of the method, findMax, should match what's up here. Okay, and then I want to do open and close just for now to open and close it. But then it's going to need 3 inputs, 3 ints. So I'm going to do like int A, int B, and int C. Okay, and now it's kind of like a coding back question where I just have to use these inputs and figure out which one is the greatest and return that. Okay, so it's basically just a check. So I would just do like if A is greater than B and A greater than C, so A is bigger than all of those, then I want to return A. And then I'm going to do, see if B is the biggest, so I'm going to do else if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then B is the biggest. Okay, and then basically, so if A isn't the biggest and B isn't the biggest, I'm just going to return C. Right, because C must be the biggest then, or they could be equal, right? I guess in this scenario, if like A and B were equal, actually that could be a problem. So if A and B are equal, then it would return C. So, oh, this could be a problem. All right, so if like A is equal to, if A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 1, then this code would return C right now, right? Because A is not greater than B and B is not greater than A, so we would return 1. That's not good. So maybe, let's see if we did this. If I made it equal to, would that work? So in this case, let's see if this would work now. So now we'd have to say like if A is greater than or equal to B and greater than or equal to C, yeah, that's safe, right? If it's greater than or equal to both of them, then A is definitely the biggest. Same thing for B. Okay, and I think that would fix this case, because in this case, it would return A, which is 7, which is fine. As long as it returns 7, we're okay. Alright, so let's run this and try it. Okay, I should have put another test case in here. That's really interesting. I'm going to change this just for curiosity to make sure it works for 771. I really should have put that in there. Alright, but let's see if that works and I run it. It does return 7. Sorry, I forgot to change the test case here. Should return 7 and did return 7. So, anyways, sorry that kind of got long there, but that is actually an interesting case. So I would do the equal to's there to make it work just right. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.